Hey guys! Today we are going to make slime again.
We're going to make glittery fairy slime today, guys.
Last time my slime was a little bit hard.
We're gonna try that again though sometime. But today we're gonna go with glitter.
So we prepare these.
Borax, sodium borate,
Sodium borate and
glue, and glitter. And we have water and hot water. So
for what?
to melt the borax.
Okay.
And to mix with the glue.
Okay.
Let's get started.
Put 15 grams of sodium borate.
About 15 grams.
I don't know how much this is.
This time we have hot water because last time the borax did not dissolve.
Dissolve. Let's pour glue.
So we're gonna make 3 batches of glue, so we're gonna need about 300 cc's. That's a lot of glue. And equal amounts water.
By the way, as Abby's request, we got new table.
Isn't it nice? I love the natural wood color. Last time we made the mistake of putting too much borax in.
Okay.
So just do a little bit, that's enough.
おー、すげえ、もう、あ、見て、透明。
Clear, it's pretty.
あ、プー。
A poo. This is the biggest batch of slime that we've ever made.
My hands are like zombie. So, let's laminate.
Glitter.
Glitter it. あ、結構綺麗に伸びてるよ、これ。あー、俺の手にかけないでよ。あ、俺はね、余計な色入れない方が好きだな。
I like it glittery.
なんかこれ、なんとなくフローズンカラーな感じです。
Elsa. So I think we put a little too much borax in again, but it turned out better than last time. Yeah, it's a little too hard. We're still learning, guys. Do you want pink or purple next?
じゃあピンクルからいくか。
ピンクル。
ピンクル。はい。気をつけて。
That looks really cool in layers.
はい。これレイヤーにするのもいいかもね。
It looks really pretty. It looks like a sandwich, like a jelly roll.
いただきます。
Are you ready for the purple?
Yep.
This purple glitter's pretty. It has some bigger chunks of glitter. I think this one will look really nice.
ちょっと待って。ほい。ほい。
That looks so pretty. It looks like a crepe.
ほい。美味しそうなクレープだね。
Yeah. Remember when we made jelly crepes?
Yeah! クレープメーカーでしょ
Yeah, it was a cooking toy.
Yeah.
It looks so pretty.
にゅん。
I love it.
やっぱちょっと硬いのか。
Just a cut. If you pull it apart slowly, it stretches.
あんまり綺麗じゃないかな。美味しそう。
水まんじゅうみたい。
ダメだね。
So weird. We'll try to make a more runny slime next time. I think that might work better.
How is this gradient slime today that I will make?
I think it could have been a little bit more stretchy,
Mm-hmm.
but the color, so perfect.
It's beautiful. Well, you mix it, it will be
Purple.
just a color. Yeah, purple. But it's
me.
beautiful.
Look
Yeah.
it looks so good right now.
It looks like Ariel. Ariel tail.
Ariel's tail's green.
Well,
A mermaid tail.
mermaid tail.
It looks like unicorn poop.
Does unicorn poop? I didn't know that.
It poops glitter.
So thanks for watching.
If you have any advice on how to make this slime better, leave it in the comments down below. And let us know what kind of slime you want to see next time.
And don't forget subscribe.
Please subscribe. We'll have more fun toy videos, slime videos, and lots of toys from Japan. So if you like that kind of stuff, please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We hope to see you in the next video.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.